Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today you can see that we have a plant of pencil cactus or which is commonly called as euphorbia tirucalli. Okay, botanically it is called as euphorbia. So now we have a lot of stems, okay, which we can cut down. So okay, we will take our scissor and we will try to make some stem cuttings. Okay, we are okay we are just taking very small cuttings. Okay, although it is better to take some pencil size cuttings so that they can propagate easily. Okay, but here we are taking very small cuttings. Okay, now you can see that this is our second cutting we have taken out, and now this is our third cutting, and you can also see that from where we are going to cut our stem we can see some milk like fluid coming out of the wound. Okay, this is to prevent the plant from certain fungal infections. Okay, now we have taken cuttings, some more cuttings. Okay, now this thing one mammillaria cactus pup is also inside the pot. Okay, now this thing. Okay, now we have taken all of our cuttings. This is second and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 cuttings. Okay, so now we have to leave them for one day to dry and to cauliflower, and then we will put them. Okay, on next day, on 9th of June 2022, now we our all the cuttings are there, and now we have taken our media consists of like 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil. We also have taken our water. Okay, now we need to now we need to put water inside the media. Okay, now you can see that how well drainage it is, because if it is having some sort of clay in it or less sand in it, so it can become some sort of like mud. Okay, so mud is not good for cactus like plants, especially cactus like plants. Okay, so okay, now we need to make it a little bit smooth. Okay, why it is so? Because it is better that there must not be any sort of like ups and downs in the media. Okay, we need to make it smooth. Okay, and these like cactuses and succulents need very less amount of water. If we will give them a lot of water, there can be certain like fungal attack on the roots and lower side of the plant, and then they get become rot. Okay, now we have put them like this, put some more water, and once we have given them a lot of water in the start, we will give them water after when their media becomes totally dry. Okay, so that it will prevent it from our watering. Okay, now we will put Okay, now we have put it like this and like this. Okay, now we will leave them in shade for some days. Okay, on August 4, 2022. Okay, now you can see the results. We have results from where we have cut down the stems of our pencil cactus. Here you can see that a lot of branches, new branches are emerging. Okay, now you can also see the sub branches as well, which are like some light green in color. And one more thing that you can see that there is a lot of progress on our in our results. Okay, although the media is totally dried up because now after since some days they are in entire sun. Okay, entire sun, full day sun. So media is very dry. You can see that it is hard dry. Okay, now we will use our scissor to take it out, to take our stem out. Okay, now you can see that there are some root. Okay, on root side there isn't any sort of very much progress. Okay, very small roots are there, although they are a bit lengthy but not like fibrous or multiple roots. Okay, one or two roots are there. Now we will take some water. Okay, now I will bring some water so that we can put some water and can like pull the stem easily. Okay, so okay, now I will uh, wait, let me bring water. Okay, now I will put it out like this. Okay, this thing, and it will help us to take the stems out easily. Okay, without breaking the roots. Okay, now you can see. Now what about this? Okay, now we can see roots. Okay, we can see some roots, and they are like after 1 month. Okay, nearly 1 month. Okay, but still it is a good progress. We can't say that it is very less progress. Still it is okay. Some of the cuttings that are very small, they used to rot as well. Okay, so entirely destroyed. Okay. Okay, now this one is huge. Okay, this root is huge, and this one also very small root, and like this. Okay, and this last one. Okay, we need to. Okay, can't. It is having a little bit some more root. Okay, wait. Okay, now you can see that there are multiple roots with this stem. So now you have seen the results, and this way you can grow your pencil cactus. So thanks for visiting our channel.